Hello, welcome to this video. In the last lecture, we discussed about circular references and how those references were ignored by the reference counting algorithm and how this ignorance can cause a memory leak. Let me reiterate what a memory leak is. Memory leak happens when a program fails to release a discarded memory. This causes issues in the performance. In this video, we shall go talk a bit about mark and sweep algorithm that modern browsers use for automatically deleting the objects which were not reachable by reference counting algorithm. Here in this diagram, A is the root object, that is the global object which has a reference to C. The reference between A and B is cut off, so the reference to object B is cut off. That means that the object B is now garbage collectible, but it has a reference with object D and object D shares its reference with object B as well. This is ignored by the reference counting garbage collector. But what mark and sweep algorithm does is it traverses through all the reference objects. Here all the reference objects from object A, that is from the root object A, is only the object C. So what mark and sweep algorithm does is it traverses through all the referenced objects from the root object, that is the global object, and marks them alive, that is they exist and are being used. This is the mark phase. Now comes the sweep phase. Sweep phase is where every node, that is every object, is touched from the global object. It goes from object A to B and from object B to C and from object C to D, and then checks if they are marked as alive or not. If they're not marked as alive, they can be deleted by the garbage collector. This is the sweep phase, and thus the name mark and sweep algorithm. Cycles are not a problem anymore with this algorithm. In our first example, the objects were not referenced by the global object. It was my class in our example, if I'm not wrong. Yes, it was my class. Consequently, they were unreachable by the garbage collector. As of 2012, all modern browsers ship a mark and sweep garbage collector. I hope the two videos on Python coding helped you understand better what memory management is doing under the hood for us. Thanks for watching this video. In the next video, we shall start a new module. See you in the next video.